30% win rate can make you money. An 80% win rate can destroy your trading account. Today, I'm walking you through the math of winning in trading. Alright, so now it's time to take a look at 3 concepts that every single trader needs to learn by heart. And that is win rate, risk to reward, and very importantly, expectancy. And the first thing you really need to know is that win rate alone is actually meaningless, because a 30% win rate can actually be profitable, and an 80% win rate can lose money. Because let's say you have an 80% win rate, but when you win, let's say $100. And of course, if you have an 80% win rate, you have 20% to lose. But when you lose, you maybe lose $1,000. You can hopefully, just by looking at these numbers, see that even though we have an 80% win rate, we will lose money. And very soon, I will show you guys a calculator you can use to calculate if your trading strategy is profitable or not. I will return to that very, very soon. But first of all, we need to take a look at something called risk to reward ratio, or for short RR. And risk to reward ratio is simply the size of your reward divided by the size of your risk. So if you, for example, win 3 times more than you lose, then your risk to reward is 3 divided by 1, which is simply 3. But if you lose 3 times more than you win, then your risk to reward is 1 divided by 3, which is simply a third. So it's always the reward divided by the risk. And to make this a bit simple, you can put in the actual numbers. So let's say that you win 100 when you win and you lose 50 when you lose. So we have the once again the reward divided by the risk, which in this case would give a risk to reward of 2. But right, so now I want to jump back here into TradingView, because I want to show you guys the risk to reward tool in TradingView, which is a very good tool you can use to plan your trade. And if I forgot to mention this the last time, we are currently looking here at Bitcoin, and we are on a daily time frame. So every candlestick you can see on this chart represents 1 day. But let's just say that we find a setup here. For example, let's say that we identified a trade right here. You can see that candle, this red candle right here, is what is known as a hammer pattern. And that is a bullish Japanese candlestick pattern that indicates a reversal, especially if it comes after a move, a strong move to the downside. So this right here, we also actually had volume, but that is a little bit outside the scope of this video. If you want to learn more about volume, I do have a full course on volume. I can link it in the video card and description. But as I said, what I want to do now is just to show you guys the risk to reward tool in TradingView. And to find that tool, you want to go here where it says forecasting and measurement tool. And here we have a tool called long position, and we also have one called short position. The tool, if you are betting that the price will go up, which is the most normal trade, you want to use the long position right here. Then you want to click on where you enter the trade. So the most common place to enter a hammer is at the candle close. So let's say that we enter right here. And when it comes to our stop loss, I will show you guys many methods to set stop loss later on in this course. And when it comes to hammers, I hope you can see the most common way to set your stop loss is to set it just below the lowest point of the hammer. So I set my stop loss right there. But now, remember here, the risk to reward ratio is how much do we win compared to how much we lose. So let me start here by dragging down the reward here to 1. So as you can see, right now we have a risk to reward ratio of 1, or 1.01, but basically 1. And that means that this part right here, the risk part, and this part right here, the reward part, is the exact same length. We risk as much as what we get in reward. But let's say here that we want to increase the risk to reward ratio to, let's say, 2. So if we increase the risk to reward ratio of 2, now we will win, this length right here is twice the size, which means that we will win twice as much compared to what we lose when we lose, because this is just 1x. So this is an example of a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And of course, if we increase this ratio even more, this right here is a risk to reward ratio of 3. Up here is a risk to reward ratio of 5, and so on and so on. But what I can also show you guys is, the opposite. So What we can do in trading, and that is one thing that is very nice about trading, is that we can make money when the price goes up, but we can also make money when the price goes down. So let's say that we identified a opportunity to make money when the price goes down, or in other words, shorting the market. What we then want to use is our short position right here. Let's say that we found an opportunity right here, and our stop loss is placed just above the pivot high of this move. Now, once again, you can see here, the risk to reward will work the exact same thing, but now our reward side will be to the downside. Remember, we make money when the price goes down. So a risk to reward ratio of 1 would look something like this. A risk to reward ratio of 3 would look something like this. A risk to reward ratio of 5 would look something like this. But yeah, in very simple terms, this is how you use the long position tool and short position tool in trading. In TradingView, it's a very easy way to plan out your trades using risk to reward. But now the next concept you need to understand is something known as break-even win rate. And the break-even win rate, if you take a look at this image right here, is basically the minimum win rate where you stop losing money. So if you have a certain risk to reward, the break-even win rate tell you, how often do I need to win to make money? And for this, we actually have a very simple math formula. It's not super important to learn, but if you want to, I can just write it down. It's basically 1 divided by 1 plus your risk to reward. So for example, if you have a risk to reward of 3, which is a common risk to reward ratio, then the formula would be 1 divided by 1 plus 3, which is equal to 1/4 or 25%. So that basically means, as you can see right here, that a risk reward of 1/3 only needs to win 25% of the time to break even. So if you win, for example, 30%, you will make money. But now last, but definitely not least, we need to learn about expectancy, or in other words, expected value. And the expected value is simply when you take your win rate and how much you win on average minus your lose rate times how much you lose your average. Because this is actually your real edge. This is how much you expect to earn per trade. So to teach you guys expected value, I'm gonna use the trading toolkit we have here. This one is currently available for all our YouTube channel members, gold and higher. But don't worry about that, because now I just want to demonstrate how expected value work. So I go here to the mind math, our trading tools, and then I go to expected value right here. So first of all, you need to enter your win rate of your trade. You need to enter how much you win on average and how much you lose on average. You can also enter here, how many trades you take per month to calculate how much money you will earn. But to keep it very simple, let's start here with a win rate of 50% and an average win of $100 and an average loss of $100. Now you can see in the box right here that we expect our expected dollar amount per trade is $0, and this is simply to understand. We have 50% to win 100, 50% to lose 100. But if we instead change the win rate here, so let's change the win rate to 66%. Now we have 66% to win $100, which means that we have 33% to lose $100. Now you can see here that we expect to gain $32 per trade. But it's very important to still understand that, this doesn't mean that we will get $32 for every single trade. This is, on average, we will get $32. So you can still have losing streaks. You might lose, 2 times in a row, or even 3 times in a row, and so on and so on. But if you take a large amount of trades with this exact setup, you will make money. And you can see here in this calculator, you will get, how much you are expected to earn over 20 trades. So here you expect to earn $640 over 20 trades. And you can also see that at this pace, that's about, $7,680 per year if you take 20 trades per month. And you can see that these numbers will get even better if you, for example, have a larger average win. Let's say we have a 66% win rate with a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So remember, now our reward is twice the size as our risk. Now you can see that the numbers are much better. We expect to win around almost $100 per trade, which gives us around $2,000 for 20 trades, and around, as you can see right here, around $23,500 per year if you take 20 trades per month. And you can also, of course, see here the reward to risk ratio right here. Here we have a 2-to-1 reward to risk. And you can see here that you also get down in the bottom that you only need to win 33% of the time to break even. You don't need to win often. You need your wins bigger than your losses. So yeah, guys, I really hope this calculator helped you guys to understand expected value. As I said, this is one of the most important things you can learn and calculate as a trader. Alright, so now the time has come to take a look at this video. Was just a very short clip from our full risk management trading course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.